is 38 inches. 3 inches for the seaming allowance in the margin. So separating both the panels of front and back, and the material you would require approximately 2.25 meters. Cut in the center of the fabric and separate both front and back. Firstly, we'll give the drafting on the back panel. Fold the fabric into half like this towards wrong side. And the measurements for the large size adult is in front of your screen. Using your customized measurements, follow the same instructions in the video and create for any ages and the size. Give the margin line. Start giving the markings from the folds. Mark half of the armhole length, which is 7.5 inches, and the neck width with 3 inches. Mark 1 inch shoulder slope. And this is optional. If you have flat or high shoulders, you don't require to mark this shoulder slope. Only for the down shoulders, we'll mark the shoulder slope, and from there we'll mark half of the armhole length, which is 6.5 inches. Connect all the points with the line. Now mark the midpoint of the armhole, which is 3/4 inches. On this point, we'll mark fourth part of the chest length, which is 9.5 inches, and 1.5 for the ease. So we'll connect from this chest point to the midpoint of the armhole with the curved line. Now we'll mark all the vertical measurements. Like on 15 inches, I'll mark the waistline, and on 22 inches, hip line. The fourth part of the waistline is 8.5 inches, and 1.5 inches for the seaming allowance. And the fourth part of hip length is 40 inches, 1 inch for the seaming allowance. Connect all these points with the parallel lines. Now the bottom flare, I would be taking 13 inches, also 1 inch for the seaming allowance. Connect that to the hip line. Back neck deep of 3 inches. Now I'll cut on these marked lines. Done with the back panel drafting and cutting. Now I'll lay this on the front panel and we'll draft for the front. Fold the fabric in the center and give the margin line on the top. From the fold, leave half an inch gap because we'll give the slit in the center. For the seaming allowance, we'll give half an inch. Mark half an inch. Straight line. Now I'll lay this back panel draft on this line and transform the same measurements. Mark the neck width and other body measurements of the sides. Now for the front neck deep, I'll be marking 6 inches with the U-shaped neckline. Now we have to make some changes. In the front arm side, we have to mark for the deep curve cut. Now I'll cut on these marked lines. Also we'll give the slit in the center till the hemline. Now we got 2 panels for the front. We'll also join the printed fabric in the center to give the pleats Supposing this is the 1 meter fabric with the length of 41 inches, I'll join this fabric to the either sides of the slit. Give the center fold like this. Now this will be our reference line. Join the sides laying right on right. We should sew towards wrong side. Here I am sticking it. The same way I'll join another side, laying it right sides together. That we have joined both the sides. Now till this center fold, we have to give the pleats both in opposite direction. Let's start giving the pleats from this side till it reaches to the center fold. See, I have given the pleats towards right side. Now, maintain equal length of pleats. The same way I'll give the pleats from another side till it reaches to the center fold. See, I've given the pleats both the sides. Now overlap it like this, and we have to give the basting stitch on the neckline to keep in place. Trim off all the extras towards wrong side like this. Now till the waistline we have to join the buttons. So mark the waist length of nearly 15 inches. And towards right side we'll join the buttons, and the left side we'll join the loops, and it is optional. If you want to go with the open pleated slit kurti, then no need of joining the buttons and the loops. On the neckline, give the basting stitch and conceal the neckline. That's it. But wanna look stylish, we have to join the buttons and the loops. Once you join the buttons in the loops, it would look like this. And if the slit is opened, the printed fabric would look like this with the beautiful pleats. Now I'll align the shoulders of front and back, joining the shoulders and the sides. This I'm done with this beautiful front slit pleated kurti, and the outcome towards back side. Here, I hope this video is useful to you all. Please try and share your wonderful experience. I'd like to see your comments. If any doubts and clarifications, do write to me in the comment section. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please hit the like button to support this video. To watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for watching. This is Radha signing off. Meet you friends with another interesting video. Stay trendy. Bye for now.